Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 52. If we start with this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 8. 4 here, so 5, 8. That means our 4 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 9. No help here, 5, 7, 9. Same here, 5, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 3, 1. Because of that 5, we can get rid of this 5. And that means in this box, the only place our 5 can be is here. If we look at this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 9. 9 here, so 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 7 makes this our 9, 6. And that 9 makes this our 7, 4, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 8. 1 and 8 here. So this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 8, 1. And that 8 makes this our 5. For this top row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this bottom box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3, and that 3 makes us our 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing a 6. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.